Hello everyone, I am Shalini. Welcome to our channel KALAI OVIYAM. In this video, we are going to learn about computer programming. So, what is program? I will give you 20 seconds to think. You can give your answers in the comment box. Let's see whether your answers will match with my answer or not. Program is a set of instructions that a machine follows. But the instruction should be in the form of sequential order. What is instruction? Instruction is a command. It's like go straight, turn right, add two numbers, multiply two numbers, swap two numbers. It may be of anything like this. Next one is programming. Programming is defined as creating the instruction set. Now we know what is program and programming. Next we are going to see about why we need programming languages. We all are human beings, so if I say anything to you in the language which you know means you can do the task. If I assign any work to you in the language which you can't able to understand means you can't able to do that work. This is the difficulty we faced while communicating with the people. Now we are going to communicate with the machine. Machine can't able to understand our language. At the same time, we can't understand the machine language. Machines only understand the binary language, that is 0 and 1. To solve this problem, compiler is helping us. Compiler plays a great role here, which converts human-oriented programming language to machine-oriented programming language. You may also know about interpreter. Compiler and interpreter may look similar, but they have a difference between them. Let's see what are all the difference between compiler and interpreter. Compiler takes entire program as input, while the interpreter takes single instruction as an input. Let's imagine we are reading the story in English. We are Indians, so obviously our mother tongue is not English. While we telling the story to the children, some of us may read the entire story and they will convert it into their mother tongue and they will say. This is how the compiler works. The compiler read the entire program and then it will convert it into the binary code. But sometimes the children may won't give that much time to us to read the entire story. They will ask immediately. At the time what we will do? We will read that one sentence and we will convert it into our mother tongue and we will tell to them. This is how interpreter works. Interpreter will read the first instruction and it will convert it into the binary language. Then it will read the next instruction. Then it will convert. Likewise, the interpreter works. In compiler, object code is generated, while in the interpreter, there is no object code. Conditional statements are executes faster in compiler. Why? Because it reads the entire program already. So it know where is the conditional statement. So it gave the more importance to that conditional statement, so it performs faster. While in the interpreter, the conditional statements are execute slower because it doesn't know where is the conditional statements, because it is reading the instruction step by step and it is converting then and there. So it performs slower. Memory requirement is more for compiler. Why? Means it is reading the entire program and it is converting into the object code. So it needs extra memory for that. While in the interpreter, it reads each and every line, so it requires less space to store that binary code. Programs need not be compiled every time in the compiler because it is already compiled earlier. So we no need to compile each and every time. But in the interpreter, each and every time we need to convert the higher level programming language to lower level programming language. Errors are displayed after the entire program is checked because the compiler reads the entire program. Then only it can able to display the errors. But in the case of interpreter, it is reading the instruction one by one. So it can able to tell whether in this line there is any error or not. Example for compiler is C compiler and the example for interpreter is basic. Hope you can understand the difference between compiler and the interpreter. So let's move to the next topic. Tell me what are all the programming languages you know. I will give you 20 seconds to think. If you know only the name of the programming language, you can tell. You no need to know the entire concepts of that programming language because here no one knows everything. There are so many programming languages in the world. Here I mentioned very few of them like C, C++, Java, JavaScript, C#, Python, R language, Visual Basic, Ruby and etc. Okay, thanks for watching. Let's see in the next video. If you have any doubts in this, you can mention in the comment box. Definitely I will give my explanation there. If you like this video, give thumbs up. If it is useful to you, share with your friends and colleagues. If you have any suggestions or doubts, you can comment. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe for our channel. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.